Ay, oh, you wanted the bad to say. Put it on, make them mad today. Say these hoes ain't got nothing on the shit. Super glue, make them stay in their place. We gon' rob them, no mask, okay. You too pretty to hide your face. Rent is doing the bills, is late. GPS, she gon' find a way. She fur lady for sure, we like Tasha and Ghost. I done gave up a lot, I can't let this one go away. She classy in public, but with all the smoke, look shit hit like the ocean. She got your boy, so don't.
Hey y'all, what's up? Today, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just outside. But I'm going in Burlington now because I want some brown shades because these don't give with my outfit. What you got?
I do readings.
You do readings?
What do you do?
Vlogging?
Yeah.
I wanted a reading.
I tell you everything and pick up everything that I see.
How much?
$50. But there's no time limit. When we're done, we're done.
And you come to me or I come to you?
You come to me or I can do it for you right here.
Oh my God. I'm not ready right now, but
yeah, well come to me. You know,
where are you located?
Rooms to go.
Rooms to go.
Right next door. Departments.
Okay. I got you. Thank you. Yeah, that's crazy. I wanted wait, I'm trying to put this in my purse. I wanted a reading. I always wanted one, but I'm a little scared. What if they say, you're gonna die soon? And it's like, I'm finna die. Like, now I'm living for the death. Now I'm trying to do everything before I die. Shit. I don't know if I want that. Oh, that's cute. Look at that little brown purse. That's cute, but I don't know what AK mean though. What AK mean? I ain't coming here for no purse. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm still looking at purses. Okay, I ain't looking at purses no more. Their selection wasn't given. So I'm in $9.99. I'm not paying $9.99 for something that I barely like. So I'm finna walk over here to the beauty supply and get my lashes and get me some sunglasses. Yep, sure am. Let's go to the beauty supply. Look at that, $5.99, baby. Look at these, stylish. All right, we in the car. So I spent $11, and let me turn that down. Can y'all hear me? And beauty supply. My lashes was $4.99, and them shades was $5.99. I would have spent that on just shades in Burlington. Girl, bye. And they wasn't even giving. So this not the lashes I normally buy. I normally buy the mink ones, but the mink magnetic ones. But I ain't really want to do too much. Today I want to be like real chill. Like I didn't want no dramatic lashes. So I already put my magnetic glue on. So look in the mirror. So it should be good and dry. That lash on there. Boom. This sounds good too. Got this on there. Yeah, so and then let's do this one. Let me show y'all. It just click on. Wait. I can't see. Oh, because it's on there. Boom. They on. And then I bought these shades. They alright. They okay. I really wanted some thin ones. Some thin shades. But it's okay. I wear glasses, so I don't want my shades to look like glasses, like prescription glasses. If that was the case, I could have just worn my glasses. I really want laser eye surgery. I'm claiming it. I'm getting it next year. I'm finna join the military just so I can get Just so I can get my freaking eye surgery. I can't take this thing off the glasses. This little boom. It ain't completely off though. You know what? I don't care. The collectors is not the time. Oh yeah, them cute. Oh yeah, I'm giving. Okay. Let's get out to our destination.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit.
Yes.
I've been stuck down in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made the commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head.
Someone made me come to the ghetto of the ghetto malls. The ghetto is, this is not the ghetto is. It's the second. I don't think I've ever been there. Greenbrier. They be have cute stuff. Sea Trent and Rainbow.
Pick up everything, mommy, hitting and in no time. I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't keep it alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls, no way. Hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your holding meaning, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. Still now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave 'em, but you and Dirty.
What's up, y'all? We're going grocery shopping now. I saw a recipe on TikTok. I really don't like to tell people that I think of myself as like a real chef, so I feel like getting recipes on TikTok, like, no, it's some real chefs on there for real. But I'm a real chef. I just need some ideas. I'm making broccoli, rice, cheddar soup. I ain't never made that before. Yeah, they got pumpkins out. Okay, I ain't never liked this kind. With the lumps on it, or is that just me? I don't like it. I got this cough and it won't go away. Okay, let's go grocery shopping with me. I really don't like Kroger, but whatever. My man don't like when I go to Aldi. He's an Aldi hater. So here we are. Look at these Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice. Go fish. Y'all think my kids are like these? I think if no one likes it, Legend will definitely get it. We're getting it. Sitting here waiting in line. I could go to self-checkout, but like sometimes people don't want to go to my self-checkout doing all that work. That's what I'm here for. I mean, it's not one hair, but it's a lot of work to be skinny. You gotta do everything. I'll just be patient.
There is a call waiting for the floral department on 101.
I'm gonna start shopping here more. I can vlog because ain't no music playing. Maybe trying to get a vibe over at Publix. My face look weird. I put too much liner on my lashes. I did something wrong because this one looks stupid. This looks stupid. Let me know, y'all, because I can't really wink this one. I thought she was trying to cut me. Nobody cut me in line. If anybody gonna be doing some cutting, it's gonna be me. Yeah, now my eye burning. I think vlogging is norm now. People don't really stare as much. I forgot to get an onion. I got those diced ones, but I'm gonna try the little onion on the baby feet tonight. See if it works. My kid's sick. I'm ready to go. Slim Jim and Carmex need to sponsor me at this point. Yeah, I've been loving Slim Jim since I was a kid. Like, what's my oh my god, and I bought a freaking Kroger brand. I bought one real one. I just grabbed them because they were the only two left. I ain't never had this brand. Let me try Kroger brand first. See, I can't eat. See, that's why you don't get off brand. It don't even rip the same like the regular. God. I do buy off brand. Let me not tell that lie. I do buy off brand, but I do not buy off brand Slim Jim because I like what I like. It's not the same. It's still, I'll get it again today. That's all they got. Alright, it's time to go get the kids. If I don't pick the vlog up no more after this, they're stressing me out. My man, dinner is served. I made broccoli, carrot, what is it called? Cheddar broccoli carrot soup with some white rice on the bottom. 2 breadsticks. I kind of burnt it, but let me see. Yeah, it's still soft, so boom. That's my man food. His be plated all cute, and mine be on a paper plate. It's cool though. I'll be back, y'all.
You need a cape, you super bad. B.